Oh, oh, that's beautiful.
Is it? Alright, well that one should be good. I hope. They're just gonna have to fill that, I can't help that. The post, there's no way to mark it properly because the post is different sizes. So if you mark the bottom, it's about as close as we can get here, so we're just gonna leave that like that. As long as everything's good, we might have to make a few minor adjustments yet. Get me the 4-foot level then.
My hand's full.
Should we put this one together and then measure it out?
Yeah, gonna have to.
And then we'll mark it like that.
Yes. Nope.
And I do got my ratchet straps in now.
Okay, I got some too.
So if a guy has to, if we're missing by a 16th or an 8th, maybe we can
Alright.
suck it together.
Show for us. Don't be shy. Yes. Yes. Don't be shy. I'm not shy.
Somebody hit by Pembroke with these.
Yeah.
Yes, I will show you
I used to
the
do
content.
yellow and fancy colors back then. We just,
Yeah.
we did all the homes. They didn't have pencil sharpeners for that at that point.
You're a pretty woman. Oh, thank you. Thank you.
You can pull that way.
What do you want now?
Pull it, yeah, and we'll pull it towards you.
Thank you, yeah. Stay tuned.
Rotate it like this.
Make sure you subscribe.